Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 23a, words with Dhamma. Let's take the three sets first. Thick letters, Ru. Thick and high, U, Ru, Khu. And very thick and high, Su, Du, Tu, and Dhu. Remaining letters are thin. Let's start with words with thin letters. Repeat after me. Huwa, Huwa, Adhabu, Adhabu, Kutiba, Kutiba, Yuridu, Yuridu. Now words with thick letter or just one word, Ru, and we will do it with TPI just to get control of these attributes or sifat. So Rusulu, repeat after me. Ru-su-lu, Ru-su-lu, Rusulu, Rusulu. Words with thick and high letters. Qudira, U-di-ra. Ra is thick. Repeat after me. U-di-ra, U-di-ra, Qudira, Qudira. Khuliqa, Khu-li-qa, Khu-li-qa, Khuliqa, Khuliqa. Balaghu, Ba-la-ghu, Ba-la-ghu, Balaghu, Balaghu. Words with very thick and high letters. Duriba, Du-ri-ba, Du-ri-ba, Duriba, Duriba. Tubi'a, Tu-bi-a, Tu-bi-a, Tubi'a, Tubi'a. Zulima, Zu-li-ma, Zu-li-ma, Zulima, Zulima. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.